Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about some EDC packs that I use and different classifications that I have. This is sort of a part 2 video. I made one a few months back, and these are some of my updated kits that I use. I use 3 primary different types of EDC bags: a core bag, a medical bag, a tool bag, and the 4th option I consider a specialty bag, which is a niche type of tool bag for a specific type of use. Here on the log we can see 4 different types of packs. On the top we have the Vanquest FTIM 5x7 pack. On the left side we have a London Bridge Trading thigh-mounted medical pack. On the bottom there we can see the Vanquest EDCM Huge. And then to the right in the center is the Maxpedition EDC pack. Here we have the Vanquest 5x7 FTM Generation 2 organizer. This is one of the smallest kits that I have. That's a core kit with a ham radio inside of it and also an EP bag as well. I'm not going to go into too much depth with this bag and the others, just going to show generally what I do with the bags and how I use them. On the right here we can see a small light. This is a Cyansky light here, the M3. It's got an SST20 high CRI emitter in there in warm white, 400K or 4000K. We have a O-Pen Mini here for quick access for writing. So when I'm out and about in town, I got to sign checks and things like that, I can grab this right out of my kit real quick and take it, sign something, and put it back in there. On the side here, I have a quick access to my Leatherman P4, and it's got an S-binder clip to keep it locked into place so I don't lose it. In the front pouch here, we have some hand sanitizer here. We have a mini Ouchie Boo Boo medical kit inside, as well as some toilet paper. And then I have a strap here attached to the back on the MOLLE webbing area with some extra straps here. In case I want to carry this on my shoulder, I can do that pretty easily. This is an old Umbro strap I got off a duffel bag, so I repurposed it for this kit here. On this side we have a small K-bar knife. This is the Remora, and we have a little bit of paracord wrapped on here. Then at the top here we have some paracord 325 on the handle here, about 10 feet or so. And that is it for the outside. This is the whole entire inside here. We have some lip balm, nail clipper, charging cables, i3T. We have charging cables here, the Nitecore NU05. We have some matches, waterproof matches and stormproof matches underneath here. A whistle and ferro rod and buckle combo here. Down below here, we have some extra cordage. This is 95-pound tensile strength cordage, about 25 feet of it. We have a compass whistle reflecting mirror combo here. And then on the inside here, we have a pen that has duct tape, electric tape, and some sewing thread around it, along with needles inside the main pen itself. We have an SO239 to BNC connector. We have a lighter, some paper measures and lemon packets for water. We have some paper clips here. We also have some safety pins on the end here. We have my dual band small antenna. This one's the Micro Baby CH32 dual band antenna. On the side here we have a water filtration unit, and we have some zip ties on the corner here. And inside this bag, we're not going to open it up, but we do have a few items. We have a AA solar charger, a VX1R micro HT, and we have a small pill light, which is like the i1R2 Pro inside of here as well, and the charging cable associated with it. This is so that if there's an EMP or CME, potentially this bag could protect the electronic gear inside. That's critical. And then finally on top here, we have the Victorinox Midnight Manager. I got the LED in red. This is for maintaining night vision. And behind here, there's another pocket, which we can't see, but it has a whole bunch of different items like a Mylar space blanket, a handkerchief, and some water treatment pills, and a bunch of other miscellaneous items as well. And that is the core kit that I usually carry. Next up on the item list is a medical kit. I have nothing in the outside pouch, although you could put some shears in the outside pouch and another tourniquet if you wanted to. I try to keep this a little bit more streamlined. This is a more comprehensive medical kit. It's made for one person. Let's open it up and see briefly what I have inside. So in this medical kit, we have a variety of different items. We have some shears here, we have a cat tourniquet, we have an ETT bandage, and we also have S-roll gauze underneath. And we have gloves, we have pens, an I1R2 Pro, or a regular 1R2 from Olight, a little pill light. We have a lighter here, we have some hand sanitizer here, we have the charging cable, marker, whistle. We have a small Leatherman Micra, we have a small breakaway chem light, we have a reflector mirror underneath that, we have some cordage here, we have a Miro space blanket here, we have some splints over here, and some safety pins over here, and a bunch of other items underneath, like for ouchie boo-boo medical treatment kits, like non-emergency stuff. So we also have bleed stop in there as well that we managed to pick up from Walmart. And this is just a basic medical kit that I carry sometimes with me at work. I have different iterations of this kind of kit in this kind of bag, but this is generally what I carry with me. On the back here we have the buckle for mounting to your thigh and a quick release option for the belt area with a buckle clip here. And we have Molly Pals webbing on the back here as well. Next up is a small, or rather huge, electronic tool bag. This is one of the tool bags that I carry. In the outside pocket we have a credit card with duct tape on it. On the back we have nothing, but there you can see the Molly Pals webbing in the back there. This is a Vanquest EDCM huge pouch here, which stores quite a few things. And I use this quite a lot for my ham radio work and electronics work. Inside we have a whole bunch of equipment. I'm not going to go over every single thing in the kit here, but just some of the basic stuff. We have the Gerber M600. We have a pen here, some lip balm in case I need it for applying to something. We have some rubber bands, charging cables. I have some hand sanitizer in here. We have plastic pry bars and poker bits here, along with metal ones as well. We have a USB stick in a cartridge here, and we have a charging cable for the headlamp that's in the kit here. We have some high torque, small precision screwdrivers here. We also have a Victorinox Midnight Mini Champ here. We have some safety pins on the top here as well. We also have some spades here for electrical connections and different types of spades over here, as well as fuses, a cleaning cloth. Underneath here I have my Bernite Noctel HL16 headlamp. It's a lamp that you can change from a regular flashlight into an L-type flashlight, and I have the headband inside of here to wear to use for hands-free operations. I have some glue sticks here, and underneath I have a small precision screwdriver kit in this leather black case to work on small iPhones and tablets and PDAs and things like that. Underneath it I have some wire strippers as well. And in this pocket here, as a zipper pocket behind all this webbing here, I do have a electronic measuring device. I forget what they call them. It's similar to a Fluke. It's one of the cheaper ones. You get it from Harbor Freight. It's like a Centec model, a meter, if you will, a voltmeter. And that's pretty much it for the whole kit here. In this pocket here, we do have some smaller items like electric tape. We have a little sucker thing to pull off screens. Inside there, we have a cleaning cloth. And I also have my portable soldering iron here as well that runs off of 12 volt up to 19 volts. And I'm not going to go too much more into depth with this, but you get the idea. You can do a lot of different things with this type of tool bag EDC kit. So this one happens to be geared towards electronics. Last but not least is my Maxpedition fire kit. This is a recent made specialty kit. It's one of the 4th categories of the EDC that I carry. This is specifically for starting fires, so it's not going to have too much outdoor survival stuff in it. It's really geared to making fires. On the pouch on the outside, I have some bug wipes, so when you're trying to make a fire, sometimes you get bitten by the bugs or ticks, or you're gathering wood. You want to be able to prevent that. I have some poison ivy treatment and a small algae boo-boo kit underneath these two pouches here in the front here. So just to treat minor wounds and cuts. On the handle, we have some survival paracord. This is a special type of paracord where it not only has 7 strands in it, but it has a fishing line, a sewing line, and a fire cordage inside of it that you can burn as a wick. You can see that by the red little wick at the end of this cordage here. And then on the outside, in a hank, I also have some more fire cordage. This is just your standard 550 paracord with 7 strands, plus the ignition strand, or the wicking strand here, as you can see with the red. And then on the back, we just have some Molly Pals webbing. On the inside, we have some basic items. We have a whistle, a call for help in case we need it, a ferrule bar that I've been using recently and getting better at my fire making skills with the ferrule bar, some zip ties, plastic bag, rubber bands. We have a Leatherman Huntsman in here for the saw and being able to process wood. We do have a magnifying glass here in the back, some birthday candles, and we also have 2 lighters here, another plastic bag, alcohol for starting fire and cleaning, and more cordage for tying things like a bundle of wood. On the Huntsman Victorinox here, it has a tool called the hook. And this hook, you could put small strands of cordage in. You could probably fit this in here and tie up a bundle of wood, put it on the hook, and carry it with the Victorinox. Back behind here, we do have another magnesium bar with a ferro rod combo as well. And underneath the webbing here, we do have matches, stormproof matches, and regular matches, strike anywhere matches as well to start fires. This is a work in progress, this kit, and I'm missing 1 or 2 items out of it, but this is my fire making kit and represents a type of EDC bag that I would carry that's specialized for a specific purpose, and that would be the 4th category. And that's all I have to say for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy.